All right, y'all have to excuse my sniffles. I've had a cold for about a week and a half. So this is what your pattern's going to look like when you cut out the pieces. The outside piece has fusible interfacing ironed onto it. And I'm going to start by making this adjustable strap. You don't have to do the strap adjustable. I just kind of like it. It's kind of fun, and I wanted to do those side pieces with the faux leather. So here's the hardware that I'm using, and if you want a detailed tutorial on how to do this adjustable strap, there will be a link to it in the right hand side of this video right here or in the description box below. So and that's what I'm doing right here, is just putting that strap together. And like I said, I will link to a video where you can get a more comprehensive view of that. All right, the next thing I'm going to do here is start putting the body of the bag together. And I'm going to do that by sewing the sides, and then you'll see that I will sew those gussets. And a little trick that I have is that life is not perfect, so when you see me do those gussets, you'll see me flatten them out, get them ready, and do a little trim. That's just to make sure that they're nice and even, because my cut is not always perfect. So and now that I've got the outside of the bag body ready, now I'm going to do the same thing with the lining that I did with the outside. Okay, so once I have both sides of the bag, the inside and the outside of the bag sewn together, I'm going to drop the outside of the bag into the lining part of the bag with right sides facing together. I'm going to leave an opening right there at the front so that I can turn it. And you'll see I'll do the area around first and then work my way to the flap. You want to make sure you trim those rounded corners, those rounded edges, those rounded areas. And then we're going to do our turning, and I will close up that opening and sew all the way around the edge of the flap as well as the edge of the opening of the bag, just to make everything nice and neat. All right, so now I'm going to add the straps, and I'm going to do that by putting these little faux leather pieces on that I designed. And if you would like the file for that, there will also be a link to my Gumroad account in the description box of this video so that you can make your own little side strap pieces. I don't know exactly what to call them. All the hardware and pieces that I'm using in this video can be found in the links can be found in the description box below. And it's pretty self-explanatory. Once you get the hardware, you get the little instructions with it, so you know how to put all that together. So I'm going to do that. I'm going to add the snaps, and then my bag will be complete. So there you have it. There's my cutie patootie little bag. And by the time this video is uploaded, there will be a pattern available for a reasonable price to purchase so that you don't have to create your own. There you go. I hope you enjoyed this little tutorial. Come back for more. Peace, y'all. Bye-bye.